Lots of people get confused between these words. Remember, recall, remind. Let's understand the difference in a simple way. So, if you remember something, it means it's in your memory. For example, I don't remember your birthday. If you recall something, it means it's in your memory, but you're not able to remember at that moment. For example, I can't recall the answer of this question. If you remind someone of something, it means you make one remember about something. For example, you reminded me to go to the market. Also, remind is always a transitive verb. It means it takes a direct object. So, I hope you'll remember this difference now. In case you forget it later, you need to recall it or ask someone to remind you to watch this video again. I hope to see you again. Goodbye. Thank you.